Hello, my name is Daniel Ellis. This is the preview of my final project for IDS 403. So we're going to only cover 3 slides here, maybe only 2. As you can see, the topic is the economics of our robotic future. So let's begin, and let's start with a basic discussion of capitalist economics that applies to most Western nations, but particularly the United States. First of all, it's important to understand that businesses exist to earn a profit. They do not exist to help the community or to provide jobs. Employees have always been a necessary evil of businesses that only allow them to expand and increase their profits. Businesses compete with one another that sell the similar products, and in actuality, employees do the same thing. The market sets the wage for all employment. A particular skill set or particular employment level is generally fairly close between different companies. And employees are not the same as investors. It really doesn't matter if a company makes a small profit or a large profit. Employees sell their labor to the company. They are not owners of the company. Now, with the increased automation, we're seeing that employees are going to have to compete more, not only with each other, but also with automation. And it's important to note that there are very few jobs which are immune from this sort of competition. Perhaps sports stars. I don't think anybody's ever going to care whether a machine can throw a football the length of a football field and complete a pass. I don't think people will take to being managed by people who do work. I don't think they're going to take to being managed by robots. Performance entertainment, perhaps psychology are all jobs that may be immune or at least long delayed in taking up automation. But most other jobs, including teaching and just about everything else you can think of, are subject to being automated. We've seen the effects of automation on employment already in our history. Robotic factories and possibly high union wages have all but destroyed the economy of Detroit. The manufacturers replaced employees with robots there some time ago, then ultimately ended up moving out of the city entirely. And we've seen that leaves people with no place to go when there's no other industry to turn to per se. Robots are advantageous, and not just to companies to increase profits. They are also immune from safety problems. They don't produce defects typically, or fewer defects. And I'm going to leave it right there for this preview. Thanks very much.